Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to connect make.com to Gmail. So first thing that you do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for make.com and then log into your account. So once you're here, you just have to create a new scenario. So click on the create scenario option. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then here, you just have to search for Gmail. Okay, and then you have this option right here. So simply click on this one. Okay, so for example, for the triggers, we are going to select watch emails. Okay, after that, we're just going to create a new connection. So click on create a connection, and then we are going to sign in with our Google account. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So you just have So after connecting your account, we are going to proceed now here for the filter type. So I'm just going to select the simple filter. Then for the folder, I'm going to select all mail. That's right. So I'm going to exclude the spam and trash. And for the label for this one, so let's just leave this empty. And for the criteria, for the mark email messages, we also have the limit right here. So after that, you just have to click on the save option. So here you can now choose where to start. So we have from now on, since specific date, all or choose manually. After that, click on the save option. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.